Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account in Chat and Date dating app. So first of all, if you haven't downloaded the app, you must download it. You can download it from both Play Store or App Store. Here I'm Android user, so I'll be showing you downloading through Play Store. Open Play Store and search for Chat and Date. Now right below the app you will see option for install. Tap on that. Chat and Date is an app where you can date with many people. This is the app dating made simple to meet new people. So after the app is downloaded, tap on open for registration. Now you're welcome to the app. You must select your gender. Tap on how do you identify, male or female. Now enter your name in the given text bar. So this is how you'll appear in Chat and Date. So after you have entered the name, tap on continue. Now you must enter your date of birth. After you enter your date, tap on continue. Now you must enter your email ID or phone number in the given text bar. So here I'll enter my email ID. After you have entered your email ID, tap on continue. Now you must allow Chat and Date to access this device location. Tap on while using app or only this time. Now upload your photo in Chat and Date. Simply tap on the camera icon. Also allow Chat and Date to access photo, media and files on the device. Tap on allow, and if you want to take a recent picture, you can tap on camera icon, or if you want to choose from gallery, you can tap on any one picture which you want to upload as your profile picture. I've selected the picture. Now I'll tap on add, which is at bottom right of the screen. Now you can continue. Now you're almost there. You just need to set a password into the password with which you want to register your account with. After you enter your password, tap on let's go, which is at bottom of the screen. Now you must enter your city or town in a given text bar. I've entered the name of city. Now you can swipe and tap on complete profile. So this is how you can create your account in Chat and Date. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video for more updates. Thank you.